The TOOLCY vertical pressure washer pump is designed to rejuvenate your pressure washer with its robust capabilities, offering a maximum of 3,100 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute. This pump is engineered for longevity, boasting a high-performance double seal system that prevents leaks and ensures extended service life of up to 150 hours. Featuring a user-friendly design, the pump allows for quick and easy cold starts, with a simple setup that can be completed in 5 to 10 minutes. The maintenance-free design is a standout feature as the pump comes pre-filled with oil, eliminating the need for oil changes and ensuring hassle-free operation. Its compatibility with various popular brands such as Ryobi, Honda, and Craftsman makes it a versatile choice for many pressure washer models. The Tools pump is enhanced with special nozzles that cater to different cleaning needs, making it an excellent solution for cleaning a variety of surfaces like rooftops, sidewalks, and vehicles.